So I have a huge issue with my car. At the moment, I don't have any seats because I did this. So I went ahead and took a little journey. I went from where I live all the way to McDonald, Georgia. So here is that. So today I'm going to be going to McDonald, Georgia, which is about an hour away from me. I'm going to be picking up some new bucket seats. I'm here at Summit Racing, but the seats are in the back. But we got everything here, got the seats. So now it's time to make our way back home. See you in a bit. After I got the seats from McDonough, I then drove home, and then I decided to put it all together. So I'm going ahead and mounting on the sliders, so that way I can go ahead and put the brackets on for the seats, and be putting those on. So time-lapse time. That is way off. I just do the one hand. After I put the seats together, then it was time to put the carpet in, because unfortunately when I bought the car it didn't have any carpet. So here is a little time lapse of me putting in the carpet. After I put the carpet in, then it was time to put the dash in, because unfortunately, as you guys have seen, it is very cracked and has seen better days. So here is that.
There's gotta be an easier way to do this. No.
after I put the new dash pad in, it was now time to put the mirrors in, because unfortunately this happened. I just found out only a small percentage of my viewers are subscribed. So if you enjoy the video, consider subscribing. It's free. You can always unsubscribe later. However, it helps me out a ton. Anyways, enjoy the rest of the video. No! I legit throw the bottle, the can over here. And what? Why? Why? Now I definitely have to get new mirrors. What?
Oh my god!
What?
It's a baby possum.
Where?
Oh my gosh. Right there.
What's a possum?
Look.
Hello, past slash present Will, future Will, I don't know. In my video of me putting in carpet and seats, I realized I didn't go into a whole lot of detail. Man, the sun is so harsh right here. Hold on, better. Okay. I realized I didn't go into a whole lot of detail of what I did with the carpet and the seats. So this is my attempt. Right now the car is at the shop. It's at a local shop here in Georgia. If they do a good job, I'll tell you. No, I'm kidding. Right now it's just sitting here because so on and so forth. We saw the dash pad, which you saw me put in and install. This is everything that's in my car. So here, let's start with the carpet first. Carpet, pretty easy, just did everything. Tucked it in. I'm probably gonna redo it at some point. For the seats, I don't have any clips of me putting in the actual brackets because it took me multiple trips to go to Ace, and yeah, so I just have bolts. I think the passenger side is just in by these two right here. The other side kind of, yeah, I'm not sure how well you can see that. It's kind of free floating. So yeah. Anyways, let's see if we can look underneath. Underneath. Yes. You can see the bolts. That one right there, and then the other one right there. Same thing on the driver's side. It's just the bolts and just opposite. So anyway, the seats are in. So yay. What else? In the video, on the clips, I had to do multiple attempts for the mirrors as well. I just showed one attempt, the good attempt for the mirror. So what I had to do is I had to lock it in by using washers. I'm not sure if you can see or not. See it? Right. It's right there. It's right there. The silver part, whatever. Yeah. To lock in or to secure the passenger and driver side mirror so that way they don't fall out. Anyways, it's sitting here. Hopefully I get it soon. But like I said, same thing for the driver's side seat. Same thing for that. And just putting the panels back on for the back, or for driver's side, passenger side, and for the and the back panel there, and same thing on the side. Oh, and I took the light out because I have to do the headliner. So there's still a lot of work to be done, but right now it's just sitting here. No, okay. I'll be back in just a second with better light. So future will take it from here. Here you go. Thanks, Will. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know it's kind of a lot. If you enjoyed it, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you want to see next. I do have more videos on the way, so stay tuned. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out, Girl Scouts.